Okay, we're going to do a song that comes from an album of 1978 or so. Ooh. Yeah, called Stormy Weather. Sometimes you can be like a stranger in moments when you're so far away. In the night when I reach out to hold you, you just turn away. Ah, why do you turn away? Oh, I love you so when you're smiling, but your smile is fading overnight. When we stay like this for a lifetime, getting nothing right. Oh, baby, getting nothing right. So why do we always have stormy weather? Why do we have it so rough? Oh, yeah. It's not so hard just to stay close together. Why can't we only have love? Oh, I knew from the first time I saw you, I just had to make it mine. I felt so sad when you told me about your troubled life. All about your troubled life. So here we are, just a few years further, still trying to make it work. But I'm feeling what we really need right now, girl. Just a little love. Oh, baby, just a little love. So why do we always have stormy weather? Why